What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to delay a contact from being added to HubSpot until after a conversation is closed. Now, there's a couple different reasons why you'd want to delay a contact from being added to HubSpot, and in a lot of cases, it has to do with the contact being qualified. As you have conversations being triggered, the definition of a lead in HubSpot may not be the same as a definition in Drift. And this could just be based on how your company is set up. In a lot of cases, a lead to a traditional company is someone with an email address or a phone number, and at least a first name and a last name. But when we start looking at Drift, a lead can now become someone who just comes through and has a conversation with your organization. So there could be a variety of reasons that you would be having conversations. And then, of course, you could be collecting a bunch of information in a chat and then want to drive that through to HubSpot later. So what I'm going to show you today is how to update your settings so that you can take advantage of this feature if it suits your business. So I've jumped into Drift and I've gone to settings, app settings, gone to apps, and then I've chosen HubSpot. And as you'll see, we get to this screen here, and what we want to do is click the synced HubSpot data. Now, when we do that, you'll notice that there are multiple options here, and you can look and read into more about these in this video that I have attached. But when we look at this specific unchecked box here, this is where you have the ability to check the box and it will create a contact only on a conversation that is closed. Now, again, this could be because you want to go into a conversation, have a little bit more control, or make sure that there's more data when a contact is created versus them just being in the middle. So in order to enable this feature, all you've got to do is click that box. You'll see a green note that HubSpot settings are updated, and then you're off to the races. So that was short and simple, and that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any other questions about conversational marketing or Drift, please feel free to hit me up in the comments below or hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to these daily tutorials, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.